Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit homepage here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing the homepage in Salesforce allows you to customize what users see when they first log into Salesforce, ensuring that important information is front and center. This can be done using the Lightning App Builder, which provides a drag and drop interface for customizing pages. Now here's how you can do it. I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon. Click that and click Setup. Now in the quick find, I want you to type in Lightning App Builder. You see that? That's going to be under User Interface. I want you to click on it. What will happen is you would be forwarded to the Lightning App Builder. Here we're in. Now here, I want you to hover to where it says Getting Started Home, and that's going to be the homepage. Click on it. You see there's two options: edit, clone, and delete on the Lightning page detail, and that's going to be on the homepage. I want you to click on edit, and that will lead you to the app builder itself. All right. Now, if you want to completely create a new homepage, we will do that later. But for now, as you can see, this is going to be the Lightning App Builder, and the label is the homepage. I'm going to edit this for now, and I'm going to make it like homepage. Description is this. All right, so now here, all I have to do is, now these are going to be the components on the left side. You have standard 33 components that you can drag and drop to your homepage here. All right, accounts by industry, like flow app, home cards. So you have all of these under your command. You can also add filter if you wanted. So these are going to be some of the options. And of course, you can also get more on the App Exchange when you click on it. If you wanted to add more applications inside your homepage, you are welcome to do that. All right. So these are some of the App Exchange or the applications that you can install. For example, Salesforce adoption dashboards, DocuSign, ZoomInfo, Field Trip, and a lot more. All right, so these are going to be your options. I'm hovering back again to the Lightning App Builder. Now I'm going to click on cancel for now, and you can add a set component visibility like a filter. You can add filter as much as you can. All right, and after doing so, you see there's going to be an option here that says activation. If you click that, the homepage has going to be edited. You have the organization default, the app default, which in assigned to apps. So these are some of the Lightning apps: flow apps, inside sales, sales console, sales leaders, and sales operations. You can click on next. All right, so these are some of them. You can review assignments if you want. These are going to be some of the what's gonna be seen on the homepage. Click on save if you want that. And of course, if you want to, you see there's going to be a delete button. If you want to delete some of the items that you think is cluttering your homepage, right? If you feel this is not doesn't look good or doesn't sit well with the way you wanted to present the data on your homepage, you are welcome to do that. All right. So here, let me delete some of the information because some are not included. So that's that. You see, you can drag and say, for example, a visualforce here. All right. Or you can shrink to view or 100%. So that's dependent on your preferences. You have the option for the desktop only, but normally you also have the option for the mobile view. Now, on the gear icon, you can see the form factor. Is it going to be show icons and hover, or show icons only. So you have all that. Now on the pages right here, these are some of the last modified pages. If you want to open page, if you click that, you will navigate away from this page, and if you lose any unsaved changes, don't do that, because the pages, if you want to create a new page, that will happen to as well. So this is basically the home page. Now, once you are happy with it, all you have to do is click on save. Or default, app and profile, and click on close. Now, I'm hovering back again to the home page. On the setup, there's the home page button here, right? You see this one right here? Your account. You can manage your subscription in your account app. Mobile publisher. You can use the mobile publisher to create your branded app. So these are some of the options that you can see on the home page when you click the setup. All right, the setup interface. Again, I'm going back again to the Lightning Builder. I'm gonna click again on the option. You see there are other options for you. Account record page, 3-column, but of course, we're just going again to the home page. You see, if you want to delete the home page that you have built, you are welcome to do that. And if you wanted to create a new home page, otherwise, if you wanted to clone, you might want to do that as well. Click on clone and just wait for it, because it'll take a little time. But cloning, you also have the option to, of course, indicate some of the changes that you want. All right. Basically, cloning is creating a completely new homepage with the same default components that you already have, right? You see, you can change the template here. Home template, 1 region, or are you looking for this one? Home page header, 2 columns, left side bar, and the template for desktop form factor, standard homepage. I'm gonna choose the standard homepage for now, but this is gonna be it sits well with what I wanted for the clone again. You see, you can't switch to a template that supports fewer form factors. All right, you might want to check on the new regions if you want. Click on done. That would apply to your new. You see, this is gonna be the new homepage as the type of page you want to create, and click next. All right. Now, by following all of these steps, you can customize the Salesforce homepage to better suit your team's needs and improve your daily workflows, all right? You could always add a dashboard component that displays the team performance, KPIs, and high priority items. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next one.